Are you a Zara employee? Here's how to apply your discount when shopping in the app. First, open the Zara app and make sure you are logged in with the account linked to your employee ID. Add items to your shopping bag and go to checkout. Now look for the section labeled employee discount or a space where you can enter your employee code. Enter the code you are provided by Zara's HR or internal system. Tap apply, and if your code is valid and matches your account, you will see the discount reflected immediately. Employee discounts might not apply to sale items or select collections, so check the guidelines provided by your HR team. Are you getting the full benefit of your employee perks? Let me know in the comments below. And if this video helped you, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.